In my early nursing career, I nursed a lot of younger women with advanced breast cancer who didn't live for long after that diagnosis. In 2023, some women are living beyond 10 years, and we're starting to treat advanced breast cancer as more of a chronic condition and not necessarily a terminal disease. I've specialised in breast cancer clinical trials for 25 years now. So over that period of time, I've seen a lot of changes and improvements in breast cancer care and treatment. So as a research nurse, I do journey alongside many of these women as they go through long-term treatment and get to know them as a person. So I feel very inspired to do what I can to help with extending their lives and improving outcomes. My grandmother back in the 1950s had a radical mastectomy with the old style radiotherapy and was terribly disfigured. And my mother was treated in the early 1980s for her breast cancer, and the only treatment option was mastectomy, and there was minimal drug treatments at that period of time. There has been a lot of changes and improvements in drug treatments for breast cancer over the years. We know of the many different subtypes of breast cancer, and certainly with the introduction of the breast cancer screening program, we're picking breast cancers up at a much earlier stage, and those particular women have much better outcomes. We still do lose a lot of those women to advanced breast cancer. Here in New Zealand, we have 600 to 700 women die each year from advanced breast cancer. So we still have a long way to go with research. Clinical trials are vital to keep finding answers about how to better treat breast cancers too. I would certainly encourage women to take part in a clinical trial. And I think the other thing that inspires me is that the common reason that women taking part is that they do it for the future generations of their family in particular, and just generally for future generations. So research means knowledge for the future.